Good morning, everyone. I am Moni from BSc Chemistry Honors Second Year. Today I am read a chapter Hydrocarbons. The term hydrocarbon is self-explanatory, which means compound of carbon and hydrogen only. Hydrogen play a key role in our daily life. You must be familiar with the term LPG and CNG used as a fuel. LPG is the abbreviated form of liquefied petroleum gas, where CNG stands for compressed natural gas. Another term LNG, liquefied natural gas, is the news these days. This is also a fuel and it is obtained by liquefaction of natural gas. Petrol, diesel, and kerosene oil are obtained by the fractional distillation of petroleum found under the earth's crust. Coal gas is obtained by destructive distillation of coal. Natural gas is found in upper strata during the drilling of oil wells. The gas after compression is known as compressed natural gas. LPG is used as a domestic fuel with the least pollution. Kerosene oil is also used as a domestic fuel, but it causes some pollution. Automobiles needs fuel like petrol, diesel, and CNG. Petrol and CNG operated automobiles causes less pollution. All these fuels contain mixture of hydrocarbons, which are source of energy. Hydrocarbons are used for the manufacturing of polymers like polythene, polypropylene, polystyrene, etc. Higher hydrocarbons are used as a solvent for plants. They are also used as a starting material for manufacturing of many dyes or drugs. Thus, you can well understand the importance of hydrocarbons in your daily life. In this unit, you will learn more about hydrocarbons. Classification. Hydrocarbons are the different types depending upon the type of carbon-carbon bond present. They can be classified into three main categories: saturated, unsaturated, and aromatic hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons contain carbon-carbon and carbon-hydrogen single bonds. If different carbon atoms are joined together to form open chain of carbon atom with a single bond, they are termed as alkanes, as you have already studied in Unit 8. On the other hand, if carbon atoms form a closed chain or a ring, they are termed as cycloalkanes. Unsaturated hydrocarbons contain carbon-carbon multiple bonds, triple bonds, or both. Aromatic hydrocarbons are a special type of cyclic compounds. You can construct a large number of models of such molecules of both type, open chain and closed chain, keeping in mind that a carbon is a tetravalent. For making models of alkanes, you can use toothpicks for bonds and the plasticine balls for atoms. For alkenes, alkynes, or aromatic hydrocarbons, pairing models can be constructed. Alkanes, as already mentioned, alkanes are saturated open chain hydrocarbons containing carbon-carbon single bond. Methane is the first member of the family. Methane is the gas found in a coal mines and the marshy places. If you replace one hydrogen atom of methane by carbon and join the required number of hydrogen to satisfy the tetravalency of the other carbon atom, what do you get? You get C2S6. This hydrocarbon with the molecular formula C2S6 is known as ethane. Thus, you can consider C2S6 are derived from methane by replacing one hydrogen atom by CH3 group. Go on constructing alkanes by doing this theoretical exercise, replacing hydrogen atom by CH3 groups. The next molecule will be C3S3, next C4H10, up to so on. These hydrocarbons are inert under normal conditions as they do not react with acid, base, and other reagents. Hence, they were earlier known as paraffins. And can you think of the general formula of the alkanes family of a homology series? If we examine the formula of different alkanes, we find that the general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. It represents any particular homology when n is given appropriate value. Can you recall the structure of the methane according to the Vesper theory? Methane has a tetrahedral structure in which carbon atom lies on the center and the four hydrogen atom lie at the four corners of a regular tetrahedron. All SCH bonds angles are 109.5. In alkanes, tetrahedral R bonds are joined together in which C and CH bond length are 154 pm and 112 picometer respectively. You have already read the CC and CH. The sigma bonds are formed by the head-on overlapping of sp3 hybrid orbitals of the carbon and 1s orbital of the hydrogen atom. Nomenclature and isomerism. You have already read about the nomenclature of the different classes of the organic compound. Nomenclature and isomerism is the isomerism in alkane can further be understood with the help of the few more examples. In alkane can further be understood with the help of few more examples. Common names are given in the parenthesis. First three alkanes, methane, ethane, and propane, you have only one structure, but higher alkanes can have more than one structure. Let us write structure for C4H10. Four carbon atoms of the C4H10 can be joined either in a continuous chain or with a branched chain in the following two ways. Butane, 2-methyl propane. In how many ways you can join 5 carbon atoms and the 12 hydrogen atoms? They can be arranged in the three ways as shown now. Pentane, 2-methyl butane, and 2,2-dimethyl propane, neopentane. Structure 1 and 2 process same molecular formula but different in their boiling point and other properties. Similarly, structure 3rd, 4th, and 5th process has the same molecular formula but have a different properties. The structure 1 and 2 are isomerism of butane, where the structure 3rd, 4th, and 5th are isomerism of the pentane. Since the difference in the properties is due to difference in their structure, they are also known as the structural isomerism. It is only clear that the structures 1 and 3rd have a continuous chain of the carbon atom, but the structures 2nd, 4th, and 5th have a branched chain. Such a structural isomerism cannot different in the chain of a carbon atom are known as chain isomerism. Thus, you can say that C4H10 and C5H12 has a 2 and 3 chain isomerism respectively. Based upon the number of carbon atom attached of the carbon atom, as a carbon atom is termed as a primary, secondary, and a tertiary or a quaternary. Carbon atom attached to no other carbon atom as either methane or even carbon atom as it ethane is called a primary carbon atom. Terminal carbon atoms are always primarily carbon atom attached to carbon atom is known as the secondary. Tertiary carbon is attached to the 3 carbon atom and a new or quaternary carbon is attached to the 4 atoms. Can you identify 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms in structure 1 to 5? If you go to constructing structure for higher alkanes, you will become still large number of isomerism. C6H12 has got 5 isomerism, C7H16 has 9, and many has 75 isomerism as possible for C10H22. In structure 2nd, 4th, and 5th, you observe that CH3 group is attached to the carbon atom numbered as a 2. You will come across groups like CH3, C2H5, C3H6, etc. Attached to the carbon atom in alkane or other classes of the compound. These groups are substitute are known as alkyl group as they are derived from the alkanes by removal of one hydrogen atom. General formula for alkyl group is CnH2n plus 2. Let us recall the general rules for nomenclature already discussed in Unit 8. Nomenclature of substituted alkanes can further be understood by considering the following problems. Important to write the correct structure for given PSC name to do this. The first of all, the longest chain of the carbon atom corresponding to the present alkane is written. Thereafter, numbering its substitute are attached to the correct carbon atom, and the finally valence of each carbon atom is satisfied by putting the correct number of hydrogen atom. They can be clarified by the writing the structure of 3-ethyl 2,2-dimethyl pentane in the following steps. Draw the chain of 5 carbon atoms. Give the number of the carbon atoms attached ethyl group at a carbon 3 and a 2 methyl group at a carbon 2. Satisfy the valence of each carbon atom by putting restricted numbers of hydrogen atoms. Thus, we arrive at the correct structure if you have understood the writings of the structure from the given name. Attempt the following problems. Preparation. Petroleum and the natural gas are the main source of alkanes. However, alkanes can be prepared by following methods. From unsaturated hydrocarbons, dihydrogen gas adds to alkanes and alkynes in the presence of finally derived catalysts like platinum, or nickel to form alkanes. The process is called the hydrogenation. These metals absorb dihydrogen gas on their surface and activate the hydrogen bonds. Platinum and platinum catalyze the reaction at a room temperature, but relatively higher temperature and pressure are required for nickel crystals. For alkyl halides accept fluorides on a reaction with zinc and diluted hydrochloric acid gives alkanes. Alkyl halide on treatment with the sodium metal in dry ethylene free from moisture solution gives higher alkanes. This reaction is known as Wolff's reaction, and it is also used for the preparation of higher alkanes containing even number of the carbon atom. The example: what will happen if the two different alkyl halides are taken? Third, from carboxylic acid, sodium salt of carboxylic acid on heat with soda lime mixture of the sodium and hydro oxides and calcium oxide gives the alkane containing one carbon atom less than carboxylic acid. This process of elimination of the carbon dioxide from a carboxylic acid is known as dicarboxylation. Colby electrolytic method. An aqueous solution of a sodium or a potassium salt of a carboxylic acid on electrolysis gives an alkane containing even number of carbon atom at a anode. Sodium acetate electrolyze. The reaction is posed as the following path: at anode and at a cathode. Methane cannot be prepared by this method. Why? Properties. Alkane are almost non-polar molecule because of the covalent nature of the carbon-carbon and carbon-H bond. Due to their very little difference of the electronegativity between carbon and higher atoms, they possess weak van der Waals forces. Due to the weak force, the first four numbers 1 to C1 to C4 are gases, C5 and C17 are liquid, and those containing 18 carbon atom or more are solid at 298 Kelvin temperature. They are colorless and odorless. What do you think about the solubility of alkanes in water based upon non-polar nature of alkanes? Petrol is a mixture of hydrocarbons and it is used as a fuel for automobiles. Petrol and the lower fractions of the petroleum are all used in the dry cleaning of the clothes to remove the grease stain. On the basis of the observation, what do you think about the nature of the three substance? You can correct if you see that the grease is the mixture of higher alkanes, is non-polar and hence hydrophobic in nature. It is generally observed that the relation of a solubility of a substance in a solvent, polar substance, or are soluble in polar solvents, where the non-polar one is non-polar solvents. Boiling point of a different alkanes are given in table 9.2, from which it clear that there is a steady increasing in the boiling point with increasing in the molecular mass. This is due to the fact that the molecular van der Waals forces increases with increasing of the molecular size or the surface area of the molecule. You can make an interesting observation. You have a look on a boiling point of the three isomeric pentane 2-methylbutane and 2,2-dimethylpropane. It is observed that table 9.2 that a pentane have a continuous chain of 5 carbon atoms have a highest boiling point, where the 2,2-dimethylpropane boiling point is 282.5 Kelvin. With the increasing the number of branched chain, the molecules attain shape of a sphere. The result in the smaller area of the contact and therefore weak intermolecular forces between spherical molecules, which are overcome at relatively lower temperature. Chemical properties. As already mentioned, alkanes are generally inert towards acid-base oxidizing and reducing agents. However, they undergo the following reaction under certain conditions. Substitution reaction. One or more hydrogen atoms of alkane can be replaced by hydrogen nitrogen nitro groups can be sulfonic acid groups. Halogen takes place either at a higher temperature or in the presence of diffused sunlight or ultraviolet light. Lower alkanes do not undergo nitration and the sulfonation reaction. These reactions in which hydrogen atom of alkanes are substituted are known as substitution reaction. As an example of chlorination of the methane is given below. It found that the rate of reaction of alkanes with halogen is F2 Cl2 Br2 and I2. Rate of replacement of hydrogen atom of alkane is 3 to 1. Fluorination is too violent to be controlled. Iodination is very slow and a reversible reaction. It can be carried out. The presence of oxidizing is like HiO3 or HNO3. Halogenation is supposed to proceed by free radical chain mechanism involving three steps, namely initiation, propagation, and termination are given below. Initiation. The reaction is initiated by homolysis of chlorine molecule in the presence of sunlight of heat. The Cl-Cl bond is weaker than the CH-CH and CH bond, and hence it is easiest to break. Propagation. The chlorine free radical attacks the methane molecule and tasks the reaction in the forward direction by breaking the CH bond to generate methyl free radical with the formation of HCl. The methyl radical thus obtained attacks the second molecule of a chlorine to form CH3 with the liberation of another chlorine-free radical by homolysis of the chlorine molecule. The chlorine and the methyl radical generated above repeat steps A and B respectively and thereby set up a chain of reaction. The propagation steps and are those which directly give the principal products, but many other propagations steps are possible and many occur. Such steps given explain how more highly halogenated products are formed. Determination. The reaction stops after some time due to the consumption of reactants and due to the following reaction. The possible chain termination steps are given below. Through the CCS3Cl, the one of the products in the formed but the free radicals are consumed and the chain is terminated. The above mechanism help us to understand the reason for the formation of ethane as the byproduct during chlorination of methane. Combustion. Alkanes are heating in the presence of air or a dioxygen are completely oxidized to carbon dioxide and water with the evolution of large amount of heat. The general combustion equation for any alkane is given. Due to the elevation of the large amount of heat, combustion alkanes are used as a fuel. During incomplete combustion of the alkanes with the insufficient amount of air or a dioxygen, carbon black is formed, which is used in the manufacturing of ink, printer ink, black pigments, and the filters. Controlled oxidation alkanes on heating with the regular supply of dioxygen of air at a high pressure and the presence of suitable catalyst given a variety of oxidation products. Ordinarily, alkanes resist oxidation, but alkane have a tertiary H atom can be oxidized to corresponding alcohols by potassium permanganate. Isomerization. An alkanes on heating in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride and hydrogen chloride gas isomerize in a branched chain. Alkanes method products are given below. Some minor products are also possible which you can think over. Minor products are generally not reported in the organic reactions. Aromatization. And alkanes having 6 or more carbon atoms on heating to 773 Kelvin to 1020 atmospheric pressure Atmospheric pressure in the presence of oxidized of vanadium molybdenum or chromium spotted over the alumina get dehydrogenated and cycled to benzene, and it is a homologous. The reaction is as aromatization or a reforming. Toluene is the methyl dry derivatives of the benzene, which alkane do you suggested for the preparation of a toluene. Reaction with the steam. Methane react with a steam at 1273 Kelvin in the presence of nickel catalyst to form a carbon monoxide and dihydrogen. This method is used for industrial preparation of dihydrogen gas. Pyrolysis: higher alkanes on heating to higher temperature decompose into low alkanes, such as decomposition reaction into smaller fragments by the application of heat is called pyrolysis or cracking. Pyrolysis of alkane is believed to be free radical reaction. Preparation of oil gas or petrol gas from kerosene oil or a petrol involving the principle of pyrolysis. For example, a constitute of the kerosene oil on heating at 2973 Kelvin in the presence of platinum or nickel gives the mixture of heptane and the pentane. Relative stability of conformation. As mentioned earlier, it suggested from the ethane, the electron clouds of carbon-hydrogen bonds are as far apart as possible. Thus, there are the minimum repulsive force, minimum energy, and the maximum stability of the molecules. On the other hand, when the suggested from the changes into the ellipse form, the electron clouds of the carbon-hydrogen bond come closer to each other, resulting in increasing the electron cloud repulsion. To check the increased repulsive force, molecule will have possess more energy and thus have a lesser stability. As already mentioned, the repulsive interaction between electron cloud which affect the stability of the conformation is called the toroidal strain. Magnitude of the toroidal state depends on the angle of rotation about CC bond. This angle is also called the dihedron angle or toroidal angle of the conformation of ethane. The staggered form has the least toroidal strain and the ellipse form is the maximum toroidal state. Therefore, suggested conformation is more stable than the ellipse conformation. Hence, molecules largely remains in staggered conformation, or we can say that is preferred conformation. Thus, it may be inferred the rotation above or around CC bond and ethane is not completely free. Alkanes are unsaturated hydrocarbons containing at least one double bond. What should be general formula of alkane? If atoms in alkanes they must possess two hydrogen atom less than alkanes. Hence, general formula of alkanes is CnH2n. Alkanes are also known as olefins since the first member ethylene and ethane we found in form of oily liquid or reaction chlorine. Structure of double bond. Carbon-carbon double bond in alkanes consist of one strong sigma bond due to head-on overlapping of sp2 hybridized orbital and pi bond enthalpy about 284 kilojoule per mole obtained by the lateral or the sidewise overlapping of the two p orbitals of the two carbon atoms. The double bond is shorter in bond length and the carbon-carbon single bond. You have already read that the pi bond is a weaker bond due to the poor sidewise overlapping between the two p orbitals. Thus, the presence of pi bond makes alkanes behave as the source of loosely held mobile electrons. Therefore, the alkanes are easily attacked by reagent or a compound which are in search of electrons. Such reagents are called the electrophilic reagents. The presence of weaker pi bond makes alkanes unstable molecules in comparison to alkanes, and thus alkanes can be changed into single bond compound by combining with the electrophilic reagents. Strength of the double bond is greater than the carbon-carbon sigma bond in ethanes. Orbital diagram of ethane molecules are shown in figure 9.4 and 9.5. Nomenclature. The nomenclature of alkanes in IUPAC system. The longest chain of carbon atom containing double bond is selected. Numbering of the chain is done from the ends which is now nearer to the double bond. The suffix "ene" replace "ene" of alkanes. It may be remembered the first member of the chain alkane series is CH2 repulsing as already mentioned. After stable member of alkane series is C2H4 known as the ethylene or ethene. IUPAC name of a few members of alkenes are given below. Isomerism. Alkenes show both structural isomerism and geometrical isomerism. Structural isomerism as the alkenes, ethanes, and the propanes can you have only one structure, but alkenes higher than propene but different structures. So alkenes processing C4H10 as a molecular formula can be written in the following three ways: but1 but2 2-methyl propane. Structure of 1 and 3 and the 2 and third are the example of the chain isomerism where the structure 1 and 2 are the positional isomerism. Geometrical isomerism. Doubly bonded carbon atom have to be satisfy the remaining two valence by joining with the two atoms or a group. If two atoms or a group attached to each carbon atom are different, they can be represented by x c equals to cxy like structures. In two identical atoms, both x or both y lie in the same side of the double bond atom. X or Y is across in the double bond or on the opposite sides of the double bond. This results in the different geometry of the A and B. Reposition of the atoms or a group in a space of the two arrangements in the different. Therefore, they are the stereoisomers. They would have same geometry if atoms or a group of atoms in the carbon-carbon double bond can be rotated by the rotation around carbon-carbon double bond is not free. It is restricted. For understanding this concept, take a two piece of strong cardboards and join them with the help of two nails. Hold one cardboard in your one hand and try to rotate the other. Can you really rotate the cardboard? The answer is no. The rotation is restricted. The illustrate that the restriction rotations of the atom or a group of atoms around the doubly bonded carbon atom gives the rise to different geometries of such compounds. The stereoisomers of the type is called the geometrical isomers. The isomers of the type in which the two identical atoms or a group lie in the same side of the double bond is called cis isomer, and the other isomer is the type B in which the identical atoms or group lie in the opposite sides of the double bond is called trans isomer. The cis or the trans isomer have the same structure but different configuration. Due to the different arrangements of the atoms or a group in a space, the isomer differ in their properties like melting point, boiling point, and dipole moment, and the solubility, etc. Geometrical or the cis trans isomers of the but2 in are represented below. Cis form of alkane is found to be more polar than the trans form. Example is the dipole moment of cis but2 in is 0.33 by where the dipole moment of the transform is almost zero. You can say that the trans but2 is non-polar. Thus, they can be understood by drawing the geometries of the two forms as given below, from which it is clear that the trans but2 in the two methyl groups is the opposite direction. Therefore, dipole moment is the CH3 bonds cancel, thus making the transform non-polar. In the case of solids, it is observed that the trans isomer has higher melting point than cis form. Geometrical or a cis trans isomer is also shown as the alkene or the type of XYZ equals to CXZ. Preparation from alkynes. Alkynes are the partial reduction with the calculated amount of dihydrogen in the presence of pellenized charcoal, partially deactivated with the poisons like sulfur compounds or the quinoline, and alkanes. Partially deactivated pellenized charcoal is known as the linear gas. Lindar catalyst. Alkenes with the obtained by having the cis geometry. However, alkynes or reduction with the sodium in the liquid ammonia form transalkanes. From alkyne halides, alkyl halides on heating with alcoholic potassium hydroxide dissolved in the alcohol says eliminated one molecule of hydrogen acid to form alkanes. Thus, the reaction is known as dehydrohalogenation. Removal of halogen acid. The example of the beta elimination reaction, since a hydrogen atom is eliminated from beta carbon atom from vicinal dihalides in which two halogen atoms are attached to adjacent carbon atom are known as vicinal dihalide. Vicinal dihalides on the treatment with zinc metal lose a molecule of ZnH2 to form an alkane. The reaction is known as dehalogenation. From alcohol by acidic dehydration, you have read during the nomenclature of the different homologous series in Unit 12. Alcohols on heating with concentrated sulfuric acid to form alkanes with the elimination of one other compound. Physical properties. Alkanes are class sample alkanes in the physical properties except the types of the isomerism and difference in the polar nature. The first three members are the gases and the next 14 members are the liquid and the higher one is a solid. Ethene is a colorless gas and it isn't sweet smell. All other alkanes are the colorless and odorless, insoluble in water but fairly soluble in non-polar solvent like benzene, petroleum, ether. They show the regular increasing in the boiling point with increasing in the size. Like alkanes, straight chain alkanes have a higher boiling point than isomeric branched chain compounds. Chemical properties. Alkanes are the rich source of closely bound pi electrons, due to which they show the addition reaction in which the electrophiles adds on the carbon-carbon double bond to form an addition product. Some reagents also add by free radical mechanism. They can cause with them when under special conditions. Addition of dihydrogenation. Alkanes add in up one molecule of hydrogen gas in the presence of finely divided nickel, platinum or a platinum to form alkanes. Addition of halogen like bromine or chlorine add up to alkane to form a vicinal dihalide. However, iodine do not show addition reaction under normal conditions. The reddish orange color of bromine solution in carbon tetrachloride is discharged when bromine adds up to unsaturation site. This reaction is used as a test for unsaturation. Addition of halogen to alkenes is an example of electrophilic addition reaction involving cyclic halonium ion formation, which you can study in the higher classes. Addition of hydrogen halide HCl, HBr, and up to alkanes to form alkyl halide. The order of the reactivity of the hydrogen halides is HiHBr HCl. Like addition of hydrogen or to alkanes, addition of hydrogen halides is also as an example of electrophilic addition reaction. Let us illustrate this taking addition of HBr to asymmetrical and unsymmetrical alkanes. Addition reaction of HBr to asymmetrical alkanes. Addition reaction of HBr to asymmetrical alkanes. Similar groups attached to double bond take place by electrophilic addition mechanism. Marconics, of a Russian chemist, made a generalization in 1869 after studying such a reaction in detail. The generalization led Marconics to form a rule called Marconics rule. The rule states that the negative part of adding molecules get attached to the carbon atom which possess lesser number of hydrogen atoms. Thus, according to this rule, product practice that's the principal product of the reaction. The generalization of Marconics of rule can be better understood in terms of mechanism of the reaction. Mechanism. Hydrogen bromide provides the electrophilic which it takes a double bond to form carbonation as shown in below. Anti-Marconic addition or a peroxide effects or a Crash effect. In the presence of peroxide addition of HBr to unsymmetrical alkanes like propene takes place contrary to Marconic's of rule. This happened only with HBr but not with HCl and HI. The addition reaction was observed by MS Crash and F. Farm Mino in 1933, the University of the Chicago. The reaction is known as the peroxide or the Crash effect or addition reaction anti to the Marconi's of rule. The mechanism. The secondary free radical obtained to the above mechanism is more stable than the primary. With the example of the formation of the 1-bromopropane as the major product, it is may be noted that the peroxide effect is not observed in the addition of HCl and HI. They may be due to the fact that the HCl bond is being stronger and then HBr bond it is not cleaved with the free radical, where the HI bond is weaker and the iodine free radicals combine to form iodine molecules instead of adding the double bond.